Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to become a blockchain consultant. We will take you step by step through the journey of entering the world of blockchain consulting, even if you have no prior technical background. Imagine embarking on a road trip without a map. You might feel lost. Today, we're handing you that map, showing clear directions, valuable tips, and practical steps to succeed in this exciting industry. Let's begin by understanding what a blockchain consultant is. Think of a blockchain consultant as a trusted guide who helps businesses navigate a complex digital landscape, much like a seasoned driver assists a new motorist in understanding traffic rules and road navigation. Blockchain is a secure, decentralized ledger that records transactions in a way that everyone can trust, and your role is to demystify this technology for your clients. You'll explain how blockchain can streamline processes, enhance security, and create new business opportunities. Step 1 in your journey is to build a solid foundation. Start by learning the basics of blockchain technology. Understand decentralization, where no single entity controls the data, and learn about cryptography, the secret language that protects information much like a sturdy lock secures your home. Explore smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements that operate like vending machines delivering a product when conditions are met, and discover consensus mechanisms that help the network agree on transactions. These core concepts are like the ingredients in your favorite recipe. Without knowing each one, you can't bake the perfect cake. Next, you need to acquire practical knowledge. This stage is similar to learning how to ride a bicycle. You begin with training wheels and gradually gain balance. Enroll in beginner-friendly online courses that explain blockchain in everyday language. Supplement your learning with articles and books that break down complex ideas into digestible pieces. Participate in interactive simulations where you can see transactions recorded in real time. These hands-on experiences will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. Once you have grasped the fundamentals, it's time to build your portfolio. Your portfolio serves as a scrapbook of your journey. Start with small projects, such as creating a mock decentralized application or designing a simulated blockchain voting system. These projects demonstrate your ability to apply what you've learned. As you gain experience, contribute to open source projects and collaborate with others. A strong portfolio not only showcases your skills, but also tells the story of your growth from beginner to expert. Networking is another essential step. Think of networking as planting seeds in a community garden. Every connection you make can blossom into a fruitful opportunity. Join online forums, participate in webinars, and attend local meetups to discuss blockchain topics. Platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and specialized blockchain communities are excellent starting points. Stay updated on market trends, regulatory changes, and technological breakthroughs. Being well-informed is like checking the weather before a long drive. It helps you prepare for what lies ahead. Formal education and certification can further enhance your credibility. Although many successful blockchain consultants are self-taught, obtaining certifications from reputable institutions is like earning your driver's license. It proves that you have the necessary skills to navigate digital highways. Consider online certification programs, intensive boot camps, or even pursuing a degree in a related field if you wish to delve deeper. Every credential you earn is a stepping stone toward establishing yourself as a reliable expert. When you feel confident in your abilities, it's time to land your first client or job. This phase is like taking your car out for its first long drive after mastering the basics. Start small by exploring freelance opportunities on platforms such as Upwork or Freelancer, or apply for internships and entry-level positions in companies experimenting with blockchain technology. Every project, no matter how modest, adds to your experience and builds your reputation. Monetizing your skills is the next exciting milestone. As your expertise grows, you can begin charging consulting fees, offering freelance services, or conducting workshops. Picture your career as a tree. Each new certification, project, or network connection is like a branch that makes the tree taller and stronger. Your expertise not only opens doors to better opportunities, but also can lead to substantial earnings as the demand for blockchain solutions continues to rise. Let's recap the journey. Begin by learning the fundamental concepts of blockchain, its structure, cryptography, smart contracts, and consensus mechanisms. Gain practical experience through courses, reading, and interactive simulations. Build a robust portfolio that documents your progress. Network with industry professionals. Stay updated on trends and consider formal certifications to validate your expertise. Finally, take the leap to secure your first client or job and explore various avenues to monetize your skills. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. The process of becoming a blockchain consultant is like learning a craft or mastering a musical instrument. It requires time, practice, and persistence. Embrace every step, celebrate your progress, and never hesitate to ask questions. With determination and the right roadmap, you can transform curiosity into a rewarding career. Before we conclude, reflect on the journey ahead. Each step you take builds your skills and adds value to your professional life. Just as a sculptor carefully carves a masterpiece from raw stone, you will shape your future with every lesson learned and every challenge overcome. Patience, resilience, and a commitment to continuous improvement are keys to success in this rapidly evolving industry. The challenges you face are opportunities in disguise, pushing you to explore innovative ideas and solutions. Embrace the learning process and never underestimate the power of curiosity and hard work. Your journey as a blockchain consultant is not merely about acquiring technical skills. It is about developing the wisdom to apply those skills in ways that drive meaningful change. Every project you undertake, every connection you forge, and every bit of knowledge you acquire contributes to a career that is both fulfilling and lucrative. Keep moving forward, stay inspired, and let your passion for technology guide you to new heights. The future is digital, and you have the chance to be a key player in shaping it. Your success story is waiting to be written, one block at a time. Thank you for listening to this guide. If you found these insights helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to becoming a successful blockchain consultant starts today. Keep learning, stay curious, and drive forward with confidence. We believe in your potential and cannot wait to see you thrive in this innovative field.